I'm Kos Prasad Acharya, archaeologist by profession and former Director General of the Department of Archaeology of Nepal. Right now I'm working in the capacity of UNESCO consultant in the Greater Lumbini area, which includes Lumbini, Kapilavastu, Tilrakot and Ramagrama as well. Yes, at this moment I want to remember old things as well. At the time of establishment of Oriental Cultural Heritage Sites Protection Alliance, they supported us for a scoping mission, series of scoping workshops. They were held in Nepal and abroad, through which we came to an understanding about how to understand better about Lumbini, the heritage sites, and Kapilavastu, and find a way for the enhancement and betterment of the conservation and management system the site. So these initial costs were covered by Alliance, which was really very important for us, because afterwards the project yielded very important result regarding the antiquity of Lumbini and the authenticity of Tilrakot Kapilavastu. Over these years, last 10 years, not only the Alliance supported us for scoping workshops, series of scoping workshops I can say, but they supported us to do various projects. For example, publication of the materials, putting signboards in various places, heritage sites, and preparing local guides so that they can tell the pilgrims and visitors coming to the site about the historicity and importance of the places. As my previous speaker, Professor Cunningham, with whom we work very closely as co-directors over these years, right now we are working in Ramagrama, doing some geophysics combined with field survey and auger coring. This is a different method through which we can produce a risk map, and this entire project for Ramagrama for this year has been supported by Oriental Cultural Heritage Sites Protection Alliance. So we are really thankful to the Alliance, because through this activity we can produce a risk map so that we can help the managers and planners of this site to formulate a plan through which the sites can be well protected and also well presented, and some necessary facilities for pilgrims, tourists can be put in without damaging the heritage.